大家好啊！雖然咧地鼠同埋三頭地鼠咧可能唔係太起眼啊，但係咧佢哋嘅故事咧係十分之有趣嘅。希望你睇完呢個系列嘅地鼠故仔咧，會令你對地鼠改觀啦。A village of kind elderly people prepared a great meal for Ash and his friends。喺條村入邊咧有一班好友善嘅老人家咧，咁佢哋咧就幫阿小智佢哋成班人咧就預備咗一餐咧好豐盛嘅大餐啊。The group sat down before an enormous mountain of food and got stuck in。呢度啲英文咧幾得意啊！佢係寫咧 an enormous mountain of food， 意思即係咧成座山咁高嘅食物啊。之後咧佢哋就搏晒老命咁樣食啦。文雅啲講咧，你可以話狼吞虎咽都 OK 嘅。Got stuck in 係個成語啦，現在式就係 get stuck in 啦。個意思即係咩？即係搏晒老命咁去做某啲事啊。喺呢個語境底下咧，自然就係狼吞虎咽咁解啦。In return，they requested that the Pokemon trainers assisted them in defending their village against a gang of marauders that invaded their village every year and attempted to rustle their sizable herd of Diglett。呢個英文咧有少少深嘅，咁我解咗全句俾你聽先，之後我哋再慢慢逐句逐句咁樣睇。原來咧每年咧都有班強盜咧去騷擾嗰條村仔㗎，然之後咧嗰班強盜咧會喺條村度咧偷走好多嘅地鼠酒嘅。咁咧頭先班村民咧咪請佢哋食大餐嘅，作為交換嘅條件咧，班村民咧就想小智佢哋咧幫佢哋手咧去保衛條村莊啊。In return, they requested something。作為交換嘅條件咧，佢哋要求小智去做一啲嘢，做啲咩咧 ？That the Pokemon trainers assisted them， 就係想請咧小智佢哋咧去幫佢哋手啊。幫手做啲咩啊？Assisted them in defending their village， 幫佢哋手咧保護條村啊。壞人係邊個啊 ？Against a gang of marauders， 哦，原來係一班咧強盜啊。Marauders 咧係強盜咁解啊。gang 咧就係指一班壞人咁解啦。而呢班強盜咧有兩個特徵嘅，就係 that 後邊嗰兩句說話啦。The marauders that invaded the village every year， 呢一班強盜係一班點樣樣嘅強盜啊？哦，原來佢哋咧每年咧都會去騷擾嗰條村噶。Invade 大家都知道咧係入侵咁解啦，但唔一定噶，其實可以解騷擾啊都 OK 噶，一字多義啊嘛，大家知道。好啦，睇第二句咯。The marauders attempted to rustle their sizable herd of Diglett， 而班強盜咧仲會 rustle 嗰啲地鼠添啊。rustle 係咩意思啊？其實唔使講你都知噶喎。喂，咁佢哋係強盜，自然係偷嗰啲地鼠啦，唔會錫嗰啲地鼠噶嘛，係咪？又翻去個老問題啦，點解有個簡單嘅 steal 字唔用 rustle 呢個怪字呢？原來係因為咧 rustle 有個再狹窄啲嘅意思，或者再精準啲嘅意思嘅。rustle 係指偷咩呢？就係指偷嗰啲農場入邊嗰啲動物咁解啊。點為之 sizable herd of Diglett 呢？其實即係咧 a large group of Diglett 咁解。一群動物嘅嗰個量詞咧就用 herd， 你中意可以用 group 都冇乜所謂啊。其實我印象入邊咧，今次係第二次教大家睇長句啊。睇長句嘅方法其實好簡單嘅啫，拆開佢慢慢睇，諗清楚前前後後嘅意思。如果你咧啱啱入大學咧，而家接觸到好多論文咧，一時之間唔適應咧，睇咁多長句嘅話咧，唔使驚嘅，用我呢個方法。如果再搞唔掂嘅話咧 ，PM 我同 Stephen 咧都會答你嘅。好啦，繼續講故仔咯。Ash accepted the request and began fortifying the town against attack。小智佢哋咧就答應咧去幫手保護條村啊。Ash and the others sneaked into the enemy's village。唔知邊個天才諗到條絕世好橋啦！佢哋而家咧就玩咧呢個深入敵陣啊。They were spotted by the thieves' leader。哎呀，弊啦！佢哋俾人哋咧個阿賊個阿頭啊發現咗啊。The leader explained that the residents of the Diglett village were the parents of them。之後個頭又得意喎，佢就解釋俾小智佢哋聽咧，就話咧村入邊嗰班老人家咧，原來咧全部都係佢哋嘅父母嚟噶。While the younger residents left the village, the older ones remained。原來咧條村入邊後生嗰啲咧已經個個出晒去做嘢噶啦，條村而家剩翻低嘅咧就係班老人家咋。呢句意思好，英文都寫得好，係一句好好嘅句子嚟嘅。學英文嘅話就背咗佢啦。Why would you steal the Diglett？ 小孩就問佢啦，喂，咁點解你仲要偷嗰啲地鼠啊？ They were formed in order to make sure that the elderly residents were staying in shape, and every year they returned to the village in order to check up on their parents。咁阿頭就解釋啦，佢哋之所以咧要成立呢一個偷地鼠嘅組織咧，其實咧係有苦衷噶。咩苦衷咧？就係咧為咗令到話父母健健康康啊。而佢哋咧自己每一年咧都會翻去咧探下佢哋父母一次嘅。Shape 咧呢度唔係形狀啊，係指佢哋嘅健康好唔好啊。To check up on someone 咧，咁啊字面嘅意思就係咧睇下嗰個人咧有冇做緊自己應份要做嘅嘢。咁因為喺呢一度嘅意思咧就係睇下父母有冇病有冇痛啊。俾個例子俾你啦，例如咧。My boss wants to see if I'm actually working, so he checks up on me。我老闆咧就想知道咧我係咪真係做緊嘢啊？咁啊因此咧佢就成日咧都及住我啊。Because of the difficult lives our parents were forced to lead， they befriended the Diglett。因為我哋父母嗰個年代咧，生活好艱苦啊，咁咧因此咧，佢哋係選擇咧同地鼠去做朋友啊。Lead 大家都知道咧係帶領啊咁解啦，但其實仲有第二個意思嘅，就係指咧過住一個咧點樣嘅生活啊。舉個例啦，例如咧 ，Despite his illness, he was able to lead a normal life。雖然咧佢有病啊，咁但係咧佢仍然咧過住咧正常嘅生活嘅。The Digletts helped cultivate the fields ever since。咁樣地鼠咧，自從嗰陣時開始咧就幫手咧去耕作啊。Cultivate 即係耕作啦 ，ever since 即係自嗰陣時開始啦。There was a time when all of this land was nothing but a wasteland inhabited by many Diglets。原來咧，當年呢一塊地咧就住咗好多地鼠嘅，咁但係咧，當年呢一塊地咧仲係一塊荒地嚟㗎。Inhabit 咧係個心字啦，意思即係咧棲息咁解啊。And in time, their labours were rewarded。最後咧，佢哋艱辛嘅工作咧，終於都得到回報啦。Their fields overflow with a bountiful harvest。And stories of their success were told all over the world。卒之咧，佢哋嘅農地啊都大豐收啊，而咧佢哋成功嘅故事咧就傳遍整個世界啊！哇，呢度好多心字啊，但係咧你唔難估到嘅。Overflow 咧就係多到瀉啦 ，bountiful 咧即係好多啦 ，harvest 咧即係收成啦。哇，好多心字喎，點算咧？唔驚嘅。咁你知道啊嘛，我哋主張咧同一件事咧睇100次噶嘛，你望多2次你就識噶啦嗰啲字。我意思即係咧呢個古仔咧，你應該重複咧睇100幾10次嘅。如果你想學英文嘅話 ，Once a Diglett evolves into Dugtrial, it can even change the desert from brown to green。當地鼠進化成3頭地鼠嘅時候咧，佢哋更加犀利啊！佢哋咧可以將沙漠咧變成咧一塊綠草如茵嘅大草地添啊 ！Thanks to their work, this village has become such a beautiful place。咁咧多得咧我哋嘅父母啦，同埋班地鼠咧辛苦嘅工作啦，呢條村咧先至變成咧好似今日咁靚嘅咋。Now, to show gratitude to our mothers and fathers, we've built them a retirement home where they can live with comfort and peace。為咗咧報答我哋爸爸媽媽嘅養育之恩咧，因此咧我哋咧喺呢度咧就起咗一個咧又大又靚嘅，佢叫做 retirement home 啦，就即係退休嘅屋啦，我都唔知點樣譯啊呢度。咁咧希望我哋爸爸媽媽咧可以喺度咧住得舒舒服服啊。Gratitude 咧呢個心字就係感激之情咁解啦，然之後另外一隻字咧想你學一學嘅就係咧舒服啊 comfort 啊，唔係讀 comfort， 讀 comfort。It has every possible luxury and amenity that they could ever want or need。佢哋要食嘅要玩嘅要乜都好咧，呢棟咁樣嘅宿舍咧都應有盡有噶啦。Amenity 咧即係類似乒乓波台啊、康樂棋啊，甚至游泳池啊嗰啲嘅設施就為之 amenity 啊。Those men and women, however, wouldn't have any of it。咁班老人家咧，但係就唔想要啊！呢啲嘢全部都。I wonder why。咁咧，小霞就問啦：喂，點解啊？我想知道。They said they would rather live the rest of their lives continuing to work together with those Diglets, as they have ploughed the land and protected the village。佢哋話咧，即係剩翻落嚟嘅時間咧，佢哋寧願啊自己喺個農莊嗰度咧繼續生活啊，同埋嗰班地鼠，因為咧班地鼠咧曾經保護過條村啦，同埋咧班地鼠咧都同佢哋一齊咧耕作咗塊農地，耕作咗好多年啦已經。Long ago, there were many Diglett thieves who caused our parents all sorts of problems。咁原來咧好耐之前咧有一班專偷地鼠嘅賊啊，就成日搞破壞啊，搞到我哋咧父母咧好唔得閒啊。They were constantly on guard and working to keep those thieves away。為咗保衛條村咧，我哋嘅父母咧經常都做足準備㗎，隨時咧準備去打走啲壞人啊。They think that the defense is the key to their longevity。咁佢哋又覺得啦，就係咧經常咁樣保持咗一個作戰嘅狀態咧，先至係咧佢哋保持長壽之道啊。The Diglett thieves disappeared quite a long time ago。咁原來嗰班咧偷地鼠嘅賊咧已經銷聲匿跡咗好多年咯。So we just decided to take over invading the village every once in a while to help keep those old folks in tip-top shape。為咗令到我哋嘅爸爸媽媽咧長期可以保持到呢個健康嘅身體啊，因此咧我哋咧就假扮成壞人啊，久唔久咧就翻去咧探下我哋嘅爸爸媽媽，同佢哋打下交啊，就希望咧令到佢哋身體健康啲啊。Tip-top 即係最佳咁解啦 ，once in a while 即係久唔久啦。Ash and his friends agreed and promised to help the Diglett village residents。卒之咧，故事嘅結局咧就係佢哋3個咧都肯應承阿隊長啊，去幫佢哋手咧，去聽日同班老人家咧打場交啊。 今晚呢個咧係一個關於一班孝順仔女嘅故事啦，我自己十分之中意嘅。希望咧講完今晚嘅故仔之後咧，會令到你對地鼠咧有啲改觀啦。希望你會中意地鼠啦。咁如果中意睇我哋嘅短片或者睇完之後咧覺得學到啲英文嘅話咧，希望你會讚個好支持下我哋啦。因為咧多啲讚好咧，咁條短片咧先至可以多啲人睇到嘅。聽日開始咧我就唔喺香港幾日啊，咁咧因此就未必可以整到短片，咁啊可能我哋會停播幾日都唔定啦。咁喺度咧就預祝大家咧新年進步啦，讀緊書嘅就學業進步啦，好冇？咁啊多謝晒大家今晚收睇啦，多謝晒，拜拜。